Hey, this is Aksa and today I'm going to share with you one shortcut, one button to turn off the annoying snapping in Photoshop. So now snapping is something which you don't want to turn off permanently, you want to keep it, but sometimes it can be a little annoying. Let me just show that to you. So if we press Ctrl or Command R, the ruler shows up. Now let's drag a guide from the ruler and let's select the snap layer and let's bring it closer to the guide. You will see it will try to snap to the guide, which is nice. But what if I want to line this part of the S to the guide? It's just not happening. You want to turn off snapping momentarily, so of course it can. Go to view and then turn off, and then you can just align it that way and then turn back on the snap, because it can be useful sometimes. Or you can do this is the shortcut. You can hold the control when you don't need the snap and it's moving manually in any which way you want, in any direction, any position, whatever you want. So keep in mind, you can always go to the view menu and keep the snap turned on, and anywhere you don't need it, you can hold the control or command. So that's all for today's video. Bye everyone.